for some time? Or can I speak with you for some time? Is that really talk or speak? I'm getting confused. I hope this is your thinking. But no problem. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the difference between speak and talk. We use the word speak in a professional conversation. If you're talking with your clients, your boss, your business, or to some businessmen, or to your school principal, or your school teachers, or somebody if you share a professional conversation with, you should use the word speak. In this video, I'm speaking to you all because I'm giving you all a professional content and a professional lecture. So after this video is short, I'm just going to talk to all my friends. In that case, I'm going to talk. It's going to be a fun chit chat with all of them. So it's talk. So guys, this is the difference between speak and talk. Now let's deep dive into the technical grammar of these words. The word is speak. The past tense is spoke and the past participle is spoken. The word is talk. The past tense is talked. But in this case, the past participle is also talked. So that's all with the grammar part. So just to put in a nutshell, let me just say that speak is used in a formal conversation and talk is used in an informal conversation. So that's all is the difference between speak and talk. So thank you for listening to me till the end of the video. Tata bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye. See you later.